Hi, welcome to this video. Canva offers a modern, design-forward alternative to PowerPoint, enabling users to create professional, visually engaging presentations in minutes using templates, AI tools, and drag-and-drop editor. You can easily export these creations to PowerPoint or PPTX or Google Slides for offline access or further editing. Here's the comprehensive guide to transitioning from PowerPoint to Canva presentation. So all you gotta do is just search for templates. Just type presentations, right? To choose from thousands of pre-made, high-quality layout, right? And then choose your presentation and just hit customize this template. Another way you can do this is by using Canva AI or Magic Design. Describe the type of presentation you need, and Canva's AI will generate the draft with slides, text, and images. So just type Instagram post or create a minimalist quote. No. Okay, let's say create presentation about wellness. Right? Showcasing examples, right? And you gotta let AI do its thing, right? Once you hit generate design, you're gonna wait for the AI to do its thing, right? And you're gonna be able to see the final result, right? By using the AI, obviously, okay? Or they will just show you the templates here and you can choose from, right? Just go ahead and hit here, generate designs, right, to use from. And if you want to add more, you can just go ahead and add page, and continue with it. But I advise you to use templates for that, right? You could just hit customize design and work it out, right? So yeah, you can easily apply brand colors in fonts across all slides in one click. All you gotta do is just hit this one text and change it to your brand, and of course click this picture and add your logos or your product basically or service, and go ahead to the next slide and do the same thing, right? And they have the drag and drop editor, customize layouts by using the side panel here at the top, right? I can show you a few. You can use templates and other templates to add for your design, right? You can use also elements to add like graphics, designs or videos, photos, etc., right? They have already stock videos, stock images that you can use from. And you can see shapes, graphics, 3D, videos, animations, etc., and templates, right? So basically here you can see many templates that you can use for your design, right? And also here text, right? You can use text to maybe have your own kind of font, right? And you can go ahead and add your heading and add your name or add explanation, examples, etc., and change it up to make it fitting for your brand, right? You can see also here in the upload where you can drag and drop your photos, your files, your audio, folders, whatever, to support your presentation, okay? And basically that's it. Keep slides readable by using no more than 5 words per line, 5 lines of text per slide, and no more than 5 text heavy slide in a row. Use Canva's animation features to make elements pop. So as we said, go to the element, right? And choose animations here to support your teaching, right? You can see here movable 3 animations, which allows the user or the viewer to see a little visualization here, okay? You can also collaborate, share a link, right? Hit here share, right? And before you copy the link, give access to all people or give access to specific people. So you can go ahead and here add the plus button if you want someone in particular, add their name, groups, or emails, right? And you can invite them via email and they will join your work. And after you're done, right? Hit the share button, right? Hit download, right? You could download it as PPTX as the file type, right? Microsoft PowerPoint document. And then all you gotta do is just hit download. Note, while Canva to PPTX conversion is efficient, complex animations or specific fonts may appear slightly different in Microsoft PowerPoint. The reason I didn't add any examples because I didn't want to ruin the design, and it's not my account actually. So I let you do your own thing, and I already gave you the manuals here to go from and start working out, right? Working the presentation out. If you are transitioning slowly, you can import existing PowerPoint files to Canva by dragging and dropping them into the editor or clicking File or Upload, right? And you can just go ahead and hit Upload Files to give them a modern Canva style refresh if you have already prepared file. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.